Hey everyone, want to generate videos from text in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your ideas into AI-generated videos step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Luma AI website. Sign in to your account and open the video creation tool. Next, choose the text to video ** option to start a new project. Now type a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. Include the subject, environment, lighting, camera movement, colors, and overall style to get better results. Take a moment to review your prompt, then adjust any available settings like video length, aspect ratio, or quality. Click Generate * and wait while Luma AI creates your video. Processing time may vary depending on your prompt and server activity. Once the video is ready, preview it and see if it matches your vision. If needed, edit your prompt and generate another version for better results. When you're happy with the final output, export the video and save it to your device. And that's how to generate videos from text in Luma AI. With clear prompts and a little creativity, you can create impressive AI videos in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.